This air assist is not included with all packages. It does, you can buy it separately. It's different than the M1 or the P2 in how it's installed. So what you're going to do is take the tubing and you're going to put it into the back of the air assist, and it'll kind of snap in there. And then the same thing goes for the other side of the tubing into the back of the S1. So and you've got a little symbol there for what looks like a little, you know, like blowing air. So those just stay on either side there. Then you're going to grab the cord. It looks like it has two almost like USB-C ends. One goes into the back of the air assist, and the other is going to go into the back of the machine. Now, this provides power to the air assist, and so it's pulling its main power from the from the S1. And then you're just going to use the little knob on the air assist to control how much air assist you have. You can put it, you can manually adjust it if you want, or you can put it all the way to auto and just allow the air assist to basically control how much air it needs for the material that you're cutting.